Also, of is used in division. He took 1 meter of this cloth. They took 1 acre of land. Like that. They took 1 acre of land. Like that. Subjective relation. The love of mother can never be repaid. The responsibilities of father cannot be taken by anyone. Next, when we use the cause, he died of sunstroke, she died of cancer. Source, she comes of a rich family. Means the source where she comes of is a rich family, giving a reason. Source. No? Quality, Shylock was a man of cruel character. No, cruelness. Shylock was a man of cruel character. What type of quality in that person when we describe with the of? Contents. I received a bag full of gifts. I received the bag full of gifts. Content in that one. Peculiar constructions. How nice of you. How sweet of you. How marvelous of you. How pretty of you. Like that when we use the constructions. Next comes fur. Fur is used in place of. Dalda is used for ghee. Nowadays, as ghee is costly, we are using the alternative dalda for ghee. On account of, we entered slowly for the fear of disturbing the baby. We entered very slowly for the fear of disturbing the baby. Maybe the baby is sleeping. Purpose. Let us pray for peace. When we show the purpose, we are praying for what? Peace. Next, destination. I am leaving for Chennai. Now, to which place we are going, that is showing for using for. Period of time. They have been working for the last 3 hours. Showing a period of time. For. Next, after. Resemblance. Shivaji takes after his mother. When we resemble the features of a person, Shivaji takes after his mother. Means Shivaji almost looks like his mother. So takes after his mother. Next, the dog ran after the hare. Means at the back of. Time. I usually return home after 5 p.m. So when this after is used to resemblance, next and time. Now some prepositions are having differences in using prepositions. See here, at and in. At is used in small villages. She lives at Masampet, Misaipet, like that. In is used for cities and countries, big places. Large places. She lives in Warangal. She lives in UK. Like that. At is used inside or outside. She is at the station. But in is used only for inside only. She is in the cafeteria. Inside only. So, at is used for small places and also for inside and outside. But in is used for big places or large places like cities, and also in is used for inside only. On and upon. On denotes things at rest. He sat on a chair. On is used when the things are at rest state. But upon is used when the things are in motion. The tiger jumped upon the deer. Now the action is in motion, then upon is used. Between and among. Between refers to two. Choose between two people or persons or two things. So when the thing happens between two, between only two persons, between is used. And among is used to refer more than two. Now see, the two thieves divided the money between themselves. And among is the 4 thieves divided the money among themselves. And besides. Beside means next to. at the side of or near to. My house is beside the post office. Ravikant sits beside me. So just by the side of. Besides means in addition to. I take bread beside biscuits. Means bread తో పాటు బిస్కెట్స్ కూడా తింటాము అని. In addition to. She speaks German besides French. She also knows French. Means she speaks two languages in addition to German, French. For and since. For denotes a period of time. We have been working for 4 hours. She has been staying here for 6 months. Just denotes a fixed period of time. Since denotes point of time. We have been working since 8 am. It shows the continuation of the work which is started at the back. She has been staying here since April. Now, see, here are a list of prepositions that go with certain verbs or adjectives. When certain words or adjectives are used, these prepositions are used. Aware of use used when the verb or adjective takes ahead of. Afraid of, agree to. Abound in, agree with. Adjacent to, give up. Avail of, leave for. Abide by, call on. Accustomed to, call off. Believe in, put out. Belong to, put off or put on. Consist of, see of. Deal with, send off. Die of, rely on. Fond of, depend on. Interested in, deprive of. Concentrate on, along with. Congratulate on, look for. Suffer from, lack of. Superior to, look after. Inferior to, look at. Junior to, length at. Laugh at. Senior to, good at. Prefer to, had at. Refer to, weak to. Owing to, ruled over. According to, think of. Due to, because of. On account of, think over. In spite of, made of. On behalf of, made from. Consequent on, made with. So these are the prepositions which takes place when the verbs or adjectives takes place in a sentence. Now I will give the notes and you people copy that in the notebook.